How to delete a calendar on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visneth, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a calendar on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete a calendar on iPhone, simply go ahead and open up a calendar application. Once you have done so, at the bottom of your screen you can see today, calendars option and inbox option. Simply tap on calendars option. Now you'll find all your calendars here. If you simply want to remove it from your list, then you can untick it. This way it won't be shown, right? However, if you want to remove it completely, then you can simply tap on the eye icon beside it and you can see the delete calendar option. Now here, I don't know what's up with this option, but here if I head into home option, here there is no delete option, right? But any other calendars, there is the delete calendar option. So except for the home calendar, you'll be able to delete the other calendars here. So this is how you can delete a calendar on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.